Namaste children. I hope you all fine. This video is prepared by myself Visalachi and presented by Miss Shivapriya and Miss Priyadarshini. Class 1 Subject Maths Topic Lesson 6 Numbers up to 100. It's a continuation video Part 3. So let us recall the number names what we have learned in our previous video. Okay, let's start now. 10, T-E-N, 10, 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20, 30, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30, 40, F-O-R-T-Y, 40, 50, F-I-F-T-Y, 50, 60, S-I-X-T-Y, 60, 70, S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 70, 80, E-I-G-H-T-Y, 80, 90, N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90, 100, O-N-E-H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. Expected learning outcomes. At the end of this video, you will be able to identify numbers before, after, between. Compare two-digit numbers using greater than, lesser than and equal to. Arrange numbers in ascending and descending order up to 100. So let's move on to our video. Before numbers. What is before numbers? When we count backward, that is called as before numbers. Okay, we have to previous. We should see the backward numbers. Okay, so let's say some examples. For example, we have learned count backward numbers from 10. So already we have learned, right? So what is before numbers? When we are saying numbers in backwards. For example, from 10, shall we say now from 10? Yeah, yes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here I have written the numbers in backwards. See here 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So this is the backward numbers. We are writing numbers in backward. Okay, so let's see the next one. Yes children, can you read the numbers what we have mentioned in this grid? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Okay, let's see here. We are going to find out the number before by using this number grid. Okay, let's start. Yes. Can you tell me what number comes before 36? By using the number grid, can you identify the number? Yeah. So let's see here. Where is the number 36 in this grid? Here is 36. So before number, it seems what we have to do, we should see the previous number, right? So what number in previous? Number 35. So let's write 35 in this blank. Okay, so what comes here by using this number grid? Can you tell me what number comes before 35? Yes, what number in previous? 34. Very good. So what number comes before 35? 34. So like that we have to identify the before numbers. Okay, for before number what we have to do? We should see the previous numbers. Previous number. Okay, let's see the next one. Here, can you read this number? 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Yeah, by using this number grid, we are going to find out the before numbers. So let's see here, what number is this? Number 66. So can you identify where is number 66 in this grid? Yes, here 66. So before number, it seems what we have to do, we have to see the previous number. So what comes before 66? 65. 65 before what comes here? 64. So like that we have to find out the before number. Okay, let's see the next one. 60. So can you tell me where is the number 60 in this grid? Here. Very good. So can you check what comes before 60 in this grid? Number 59. Okay. 59 before what number is here? 58. So we have written the before number. See here. 66 before 65, 64. So the number in backwards. While you are saying the number, you can get the backward number 66, 65, 64, 60, 59, 58. Okay, like this we have to find out the before number. So let's see the next one. After numbers. Now we are going to find out the after numbers. So what is after numbers? We have to see the number in forward. We have to say the number in forward. Okay, for example, see here, by using this number grid, we are going to find out the after number. So after, it seems next. Okay, next. We have to say the forward. We have to go forward. Okay. So let's see here. Find out this number in this grid. 50. So where is the number 50? Yeah, here. So what is the next number? 51. Very good. Can you find out the number 46 in this grid? 46. So what is the next number? 47. So this is the after. So for after, what we have to do? We should see the next number. Okay. Yeah. Can you tell me now what comes after 52? Very good. 53. Very good. What comes after 49? 50. By saying 1, 2, 3, you can get the number quickly. Okay. Next. What comes after 63? 64. Very good. Let's see the next one. What comes after 98? 99. What comes after 81? 82. By you can always you should say the numbers 1 to 100, and in same way you have to say the numbers in backward also, like 100, 99, 98. So you have to say the numbers in backward also. Then you can find out easily what comes before and what comes after. Okay. Next we are going to see between numbers. So what is between? It seems in the middle. Okay, in the middle. So let's see here. Now we are going to see the number between. So between, it seems in the middle. See, in center. Okay, we are going to find out the number. What number comes in between 15 and 17? While you are saying number from 11 to 20, you can get this. See, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It will goes on. Okay. So can you tell me where is the number 15 and 17? Yeah, here number 15, here number 17. So what is in between? What number in between? Number 16. That we should write it here. Okay, that we should write it here. Between 15 and 17, number 16 will come. Okay, let's see the next one. Can you tell me what number I have written here? 31, 33. We have to find out what number comes in between 31 and 33. So now I am going to write the numbers 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. It's over. Okay, it is enough. Now let's find out where is the number 31. Can you circle number 31? Just, yeah. Where is number 33? Yes, here. So what number comes in between 32? Okay, so in between 31 and 33, 32 will come. Okay, like this we have to find out. Next one, children. Ascending. I am going to write ascending. So ascending, it seems from the smallest to the biggest. We have to extend. Okay, from the smallest to the biggest. Okay, let's see. By in numbers, we are going to find out from the smallest and the biggest. So let's see here. Yes. So what number I have written here? 23, 45, 39. 23, 45, 39. So now we are going to arrange the number in ascending. So ascending order, it seems what? From the smallest to the biggest, right? Yeah. So here we are going to find out which number is the smallest. Which number is the smallest? Here we have 2-digit numbers, right? So in 2-digit numbers, what are all the places we have? Ones and tens place. So for comparing the numbers, we are going to see the first digit in each number. Okay, let's see here. 2, 4, 3. Which is the smallest here? 2 is the smallest. So that we should write first. Okay. 23. Next. This we have finished. So the balance is only these two numbers. 45 and 39. So which is the smaller here? 45 or 39? Yeah, of course. 39 is the smaller. So that we should write 39. This we have written. So only the remaining number is 45. That only will come next. Okay. So this is called as ascending order. Now I have written the number in ascending. See, smallest to the biggest. 23, 39, 45. 23, 39, 45. Let's see the other example. Can you read this number? 59, 46, 89. Now we are going to arrange the number in ascending order. So what is ascending order? From the smallest to the biggest. From the smallest to the biggest. So let's see which is the smallest number in this 3. Okay, so for that what we have to do? We have to see the first digit in each set of numbers. So let's see here. 5, 4, 8. So which is the smallest here? 4 is the smallest. So what is the number? 46. That we should write first. 46. So 46 we have written. So just I strike out that. The remaining numbers are 59 and 89. We have to compare these two numbers. Which is the smaller here? 59 or 89? 59 is the smallest because 5 in the tens place. 5 in the tens place. 5 is smaller than 8. So that we should write, right? 59. We have written this 59. So the remaining number is 89. Over. 46, 59, 89. We have arranged the number in ascending order. So ascending order, it seems what? Smallest to the biggest. The number in from the smallest to the biggest. Okay. Yes. See, descending order. Descending. So what is descending order? Descending order, it seems from the biggest to the smallest we have to arrange the numbers. Okay, let's see here. See the numbers 45, 63, 79. It's all 2-digit numbers. Okay, ones place, tens place. So you all know the places. In 2 digits we have 2 places. What are they? Ones and tens place. So here they have given 2 digit numbers. So now what we have to do, we should see the first digit in each set of numbers. Okay, so what is the first digit here? 4, 6, 7. When we compare this 3, which is the biggest? 7 is the biggest, right? So we have to write this number 79. 79. So 79 we have written. So I have strike out. The remaining numbers are 45 and 63. So when you when you compare these two numbers, 63 is bigger. See the first digit 4, 6. Which is bigger? Of course 6 is bigger. So 63. That we should write 63. So this is over. The remaining number is the only one, 45. So that we should write at the last, 45. So now we have arranged the number from the biggest to the smallest. So this what we have to say? Descending order. 79, 63, 45. Okay, let's see the next one. See here, 91, 98, 64, 78. Here we have 4 set of numbers. Okay, so first what we have to do, we should see the first digit in each place. It's all 2 digit numbers. So we have to check the first digit in each set of numbers. So let's see, 9, 9, 6, 7. So when I say 9, 9, 6, 7, can you find out which is the biggest here? 9 is the biggest, but we have 9 in tens place. We have 2 in 2 set of numbers. See here, 91, 98. If it comes like this, 2 set of numbers, so we have to check the next place. Okay, in the ones place we have to check it now, which is greater. See 1, 8, which is greater here? 8 is greater. Of course 8 is greater, right? So that we should write first. 98. Now I have strike out. The next one, 91, 64, 78. So first let's see the first digit, 9, 6, 7. Which is the biggest here? Of course 9 is the bigger. So this set of number we should write at the next one, 91. See the next one, 64, 78. So here we are going to compare this two number, 6, 7. In the first digit is 6, 7 here. So which is bigger? 7 is the bigger. So we should write 78. The next is over. The only remaining number is 64. So over. So this is the descending order. Descending order, it seems, from the biggest to the smallest. From the biggest to the smallest. Okay. Let's see a small recap what we have learned in this video. First we are going to find out the before numbers. So let's see now. What number comes before 12? 11. Right. What number comes before 41? 40. What number comes before 60? 59. Okay, by using the number grid, if you have the number grid, you can see and tell. Okay, see the next one. Next we are going to write the after number. Okay, let's write now. What number comes after 63? 64. After 19? 20. After 81? 82. I hope you all learned the concept of before, after, between, ascending and descending order. So we'll take a new concept in the next video. Thank you.